It's finally time to level up. I'm talking vision boards that actually deliver results and not just pretty pictures. With less than 2 months left of 2025, it is the perfect opportunity for us to reinvent, to recharge, and to refocus on our goals. So let's dive into the world of vision boards, from the science behind it to the psychology that actually makes it tick. I'm excited to share the secrets to creating a vision board that actually works in 2026. So what is a vision board? Simply put, a vision board is a visual representation of our goals and desires. It's a way to tap into the power of visualization and manifest your dreams. But let's get into the science behind it. The reticular activating system, known as the RAS, in our brain acts as a filter, prioritizing information that's relevant to our goals. When you create a vision board, you're essentially telling your brain to focus on the things that will help you achieve your goals. Now let's talk about the psychology behind it. Our brains are wired to respond to images and emotion. When you see something that resonates with you, it triggers an emotional response. And that's what drives motivation and action. A vision board is like a constant reminder of what you want to achieve, and it helps to reprogram your mind to focus on the positive. So why does it work? Is that it helps you to clarify your goals and priorities. When you take the time to think about what you want to achieve, you're more likely to take action towards it. It also helps to boost motivation and confidence. Seeing your goals in a visual format can be really powerful, and it can help you stay focused and driven. Now I know what you're thinking, is this just a bunch of pretty pictures? Well, no, it's not just about the aesthetics, although yes, it may look pretty. It's about creating a visual representation of your goals and desires and using that as a tool to manifest your dreams. Now that we know what a vision board is and the psychology behind it, let's dive deeper into the science. The concept of vision boards is rooted in the law of attraction, which suggests that like attracts like. By focusing on positive thoughts and images, we can attract positive experiences into our life. But there's more to it than just wishful thinking. The science behind vision boards is based on the way our brain processes information. Our brains are made up of billions of neurons that fire off signals to each other, creating new connections and pathways. When we focus on a specific goal or image, we are creating a new pathway in our brain. The more we focus on it, the stronger we become. This is known as neuroplasticity, and it's the key to reprogramming our minds to achieve our goals. Now let's talk about some proven methods of making vision boards work. Instead of just putting up a picture of a beach, specify what you want to achieve. Example, I want to spend a week in Bali next year. Second, make it emotional. Connect with the feelings that you want to experience when you achieve your goal. And thirdly, make it visual. Use images that resonate with you and your goals. Now let's get to the fun part. Creating your vision board using Canva and Pinterest. Pinterest is an amazing tool to finding inspiration and ideas, and Canva is a powerful design tool to create stunning visuals. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating your own vision board. Start by finding your images. Use Pinterest to search for images that resonate with your goals and desires. Create a board and start pinning images that make you feel good. Next is to choose your affirmations. Write down positive affirmations that align with your goals. Use present tense language and focus on what you want to achieve. Now that we have all of our images, let's head over to Canva and start creating our vision board. Use Canva to create a digital vision board. Choose a template, or you may start from scratch and start adding your images and affirmations. Make your vision board personal. Add your name, birthstone, or even favorite colors to make your board truly unique. And the last part is to display it proudly. Set your vision board as your phone wallpaper or desktop background so that you can see it every day. So as you can see guys, my vision board is done. I did not show you guys the full process, but I did follow all the steps that I did mention. As well as, please note that my goals are different from you guys, and that's okay. Each and every person's goals and desires and passions and dreams are different from each other. By following these steps and creating a vision board that resonates with you, you'll be amazed how powerful it can be. And remember, the key is to focus on the emotions and the feelings you want to experience when you achieve your goal. So let's get started and create your own vision board for 2026. Thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned for the next video.